Hello guys, this is Karan and I am here to share an exciting product update we've made with Cosmos, and it is called Apps. Now, I've had numerous calls with people who are customers of Cosmos who basically want to create experiences. So say for example Google Docs, or you want to run a retro with your team and you want it such that you actually join a call, and in the call you're able to open say a Miro or a Google document in Cosmos with one click. So we've built that functionality. How does it work? First of all, you go to your document which you want to share, get one which is available without authentication, and then you basically pop this button called apps. We call this features apps in Cosmos, and over here you can pop a link of an app which allows embedding and make sure that it's open access. Now over here we have the ability to save that link. We call it bookmarks, and then with one click you can open an app which allows embedding inside of Cosmos. Now in this case, you notice I've opened our emails document, and over here both me and my colleague Gurleen, we can edit this document, and this is an email which we're going to send to all of you in a bit. We're just recording the video for it. Once you start sharing, you can of course press stop share to stop sharing the document. All the bookmark documents show up here. You can just click on the three dots to open it. Now the second thing which people often ask is, Karan, this is all cool, how do I now make it such that I can pop links into rooms and they open automatically? Now that we call as auto launch. So once you've saved a link for an app, you can toggle it to auto launch. The moment you do so, what happens is that this app will launch automatically whenever someone joins that room. So I'll show it to you in a few instances. We've set a few different apps in different rooms. So right now I'm out. I joined this room, weekly retro, and I see the app automatically open up. This is a Miro board. I can zoom in, I can play with it. We can add all sorts of sticky notes here, and this works. Now I toggle back into the space view and I can jump into the game room. Game room we've set to automatically open games, and in this case I can actually play games with myself. I can start a single player game. The gig of how games work. Now I basically go back to space again. We have the ability to embed YouTube videos as well inside Cosmos. We've actually spent the time to make it co-watchable so that you can actually do a watch party. What that means is that the seek is shared amongst everyone in the call. And over here, as you can see, I pop into the room and this video plays automatically. Now, what do you do to stop this? You go here. If you want to stop this, you just stop auto launch. That happens. If you want to delete the bookmark, this is how you can delete the bookmark, and voila, that's open apps for you. I would request you guys to try it out, make it your own. Now you have the ability to customize your own spaces. Each space has the ability to have all sorts of embedded experiences, and you can save them. So let's see what you guys do. Please do share them with us. And in the next step, we'll add some moderation for all these links, which are now going to start populating your Cosmos space. But that's it for now, and have a lovely day yourself.